Hello everyone. Today we are here to explore an important concept in the world of alternative dispute resolution, the definition of conciliatory. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics. Now, let's delve deep into the word conciliatory and its essence. When we say something is conciliatory, we are referring to actions, gestures, or attitudes that are intended to pacify, reconcile, or reduce tension between conflicting parties. Being conciliatory is akin to extending an olive branch, signifying peace and the willingness to foster harmony. In disputes, the conciliatory approach can often be the beacon of hope that guides conflicting parties towards a resolution that is amicable and mutually beneficial. It has the potential to turn the tide, fostering understanding and dialogue where there was once hostility and discord. Now, to give you a sense of how effective this approach can be, let's glance at a few statistics. In recent years, it's been observed that about 78% of disputes managed through conciliatory methods found resolutions that were satisfactory to all involved parties. This statistic is significant because it underscores the importance and effectiveness of adopting a conciliatory stance in dispute resolution. Furthermore, organizations that employ conciliatory strategies in resolving disputes have found that it reduces the time spent in conflict by approximately 45%, thereby saving resources and preserving relationships. It's important for us to understand that being conciliatory does not mean compromising on the principles or values that are fundamental to us. Rather, it's a demonstration of empathy, understanding, and the ability to see beyond our perspectives and consider the viewpoints of others. So as we venture into the sphere of alternative dispute resolution, let us carry the essence of being conciliatory in our hearts and minds. It could be the tool that helps us bridge divides, forge alliances, and foster environments where dialogue, understanding, and harmony thrive. If you want to learn more information about alternative dispute resolution, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about the definition of conciliatory? Does it make sense to you? Please drop a comment below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.